Heritage Bank. Heritage Bank. Heritage Bank. Please, in all of this you guys are doing, I beg, don't tamper with that small money in that account. I need my money back.
Following the liquidation of Heritage Bank, Anthony Abakpa, President of the National Union of Banks, Insurance and Financial Institution Employees, discussed depositors and workers' concerns with Imolayo Oyedeyi regarding the safety of their funds with the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, known as NDIC. Recently, Heritage Bank's liquidation has caused depositors to fear for their money. A lawyer expressed concern on X social media about potentially losing its 17 million naira. The NDIC stated it will provide a statutory insurance payment of 5 million naira, prompting worries that small business owners with more than this amount might not recover their full funds. Abakpa noted that regulatory authorities like the CBN and NDIC operate within legal frameworks. If a bank's liquidity is inadequate, regulators issue warnings and, if unaddressed, take further action as mandated by law. Regarding the safety of depositors' money with NDIC, Abakpa explained that deposits below 5 million are accessible, while amounts above this are paid in installments. Despite this legal framework, some Nigerians have been disappointed with the NDIC handling of funds exceeding 5 million when banks fail. Abakpa advised that these affected individuals seek redress in court, as the law is clear on NDIC and CBN operations. Abakpa emphasized that the CBN likely informed Heritage Bank's management about financial issues before liquidation. He believes CBN should have intervened earlier, potentially by converting the bank into a breach bank to safeguard depositors' funds and employees' jobs. As it stands, many employees are now jobless and the economic situation is challenging. Abakpa suggested that CBN should have taken over, injected funds and rebranded the bank to reassure customers and avoid job losses. He criticized CBN for allowing NDIC to take over at a near failure stage, leaving depositors with significant funds to receive their money in uncertain installments. He urged the government to ensure workers don't lose their jobs as depositors don't lose their money. An analyst noted that CBN should have intervened before Heritage Bank accumulated 700 billion naira in non-performing loans and toxic assets. Abakpa agreed, stating that CBN should track and recover debts from those responsible for the bank's collapse to repay depositors. He also emphasized that the CBN should ensure bad loans are recovered and suggested that the government provides severance allowances to affected workers, especially low-level employees. These workers did nothing wrong and deserve parting benefits. Abakpa called for the CBN to enhance its monetary and regulatory strategies to prevent future bank failure. He suggested consistent checks and analysis of banks' financial health, allowing the CBN to intervene early and potentially save struggling banks to protect jobs and depositors' funds. He highlighted the severe impact of losing hard-earned money, stressing the impact of maintaining hope and preventing depression in such situations.